Is it time to buy or sell HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock? In this video, we will explore HIMS and HERS Health Class A in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 19th of May, 2025. Now, we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 29th of April, 2025, our system has identified HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.44. Now, let's review the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 77.91% since we first designated HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a buy candidate just 15 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 5.19% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $64.77 will first indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 13.19% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 49.70% to positive 17.61%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 56.40%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 31.19% and positive 89.47% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $42.90 and $118.12. Our latest daily update for HIMS and HERS Health Class A includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A. The stock price for HIMS and HERS Health Inc. Class A decreased by 3.57% on the last day, Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, from $64.65 to $62.34. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.14%. reaching a low of $61.08 and a high of $63.61. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 48.85% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should ideally align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 15 million shares, with a total of 35 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.21 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $72.98, while the lowest price was $13.47. Currently, the stock price is 14.58%, or $10.64, below the 52-week high of $72.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. HIMS and HERS Health is making headlines as its AI-powered personalized health plans attract over 70% of new users, significantly boosting recurring revenues through increased customer loyalty. The company is strategically expanding its health and wellness offerings while sharpening its focus on artificial intelligence to enhance its market presence. Despite a decline of 3.1% in stock value over the past 3 months, recent momentum suggests that more substantial gains could be on the horizon. A collaboration with Novo Nordisk and improved cash generation highlight HIMS's operational strength, although decreased gross margins due to lower margin products pose challenges. Analysts view HIMS as a promising long-term hold, especially within the thriving health and fitness market, expecting that sustained demand will positively impact its stock trajectory. The stock's price has surged recently, nearing its all-time high, indicating strong investor confidence. projections suggest HIMS could be significantly undervalued, with future price targets projecting potential highs between $64 and upwards of $300 per share by the year 2030, based on current growth metrics and operational leverage. In the short term, the stock may experience volatility due to macroeconomic challenges. But strength in user growth, strategic partnerships, and operational improvements suggest solid long-term potential. This likely stabilizes its value and leads to upward price momentum as the company taps into the wellness boom. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 7th of May 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned HIMS a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned HIMS a mixed grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned HIMS a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 2nd of April 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $59.70 and $37.60. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, May 16, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 3.57%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 82 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $52.35 and $49.47. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A, finds support just below today's level at $52.35. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $49.47 and $49.28. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.53 between the high and low, or 4.14%. For the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 11.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of August 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 17 cents. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HIMS and HERS Health Class A is at $64.02. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health Class A encounters its first support level at $52.35. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health Class A from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of May, 2025, Al-Shinawi Mohammed conducted an insider purchase of 1,036,339 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 5th of May, 2025, Al-Shinawi Mohammed conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 12th of May, 2025, Baird Melissa conducted an insider purchase of 33,333 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of May, 2025, Baird Melissa conducted an insider sale of 13,786 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of May, 2025, Baird Melissa conducted an insider sale of 6,801 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 7.185. Overall, insiders purchased 1,870,927 shares and sold 1,671,887 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $59.35, representing a decrease of 4.8%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The relative strength index over a 14-day period stands at 78, further amplifying the risk involved. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable expectation for HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 20th of May, we anticipate that HIMS and HERS Health Class A will open higher by a fraction of a cent and begin trading at $62.34. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.